with everything na siguro na pagdaanan ko in freelancing, and not even in freelancing, but in other things. Walang easy money. Hindi ganun din. Gusto mo ng easy money, then, ewan ko kung anong kaya mong gawin, but hindi talaga siya madali. Kung mayaman ka, pinanganak kayo mayaman, then, congrats. Then use your money wisely, and it's a privilege for you. Pero if, hindi ka ganun ka-fortunate and you want to have or develop or, yung magkaroon ka talaga ng maayos na income, kailangan talaga pagtrabahuan. Hindi siya madali. Hindi siya in an instant magkakapera. Parang, katas yan ng paghihirap.